There's a lot of experience and practical knowledge within the wildfire industry, but that knowledge is not always well documented. For example, information can be hard to find on topics such as guidance on the relative performance of sampling methods, options for inspection and sampling strategies, and consensus on background concentrations for wildfire smoke residues. We would like to begin a discussion on some of these topics with this webinar. We will be discussing the results of 2 field studies. The first study of 48 houses compared the relative performance of wet wipe and tape lift samples for evaluating the impact of surface char. The second study of 343 houses characterized several factors that can affect the evaluation of wildfire smoke residues. The results of the studies that will be discussed include the effect of sampling method on evaluating the impact of surface char, the frequencies that char, ash, and soot were detected, the detection of char by distance from the wildfire, and with elapsed time between the wildfire and the inspection, the effect of sampling location on the assessed impact of wildfire residues, for example, exterior surfaces, interior windowsills, and interior hard surfaces, and the background concentration of surface char. The webinar should not only be informative, but the intent is to start a discussion on these topics. Hopefully, we will all learn as much from the discussion as from the presentation. So please come join us for what should be an informative webinar and the discussion. Thank you.